Disclaimer. The food items being reviewed and tasted were all bought out of pocket by the GOAT, or the greatest of all Titos, and none of which were provided by the food provider or restaurant and topic. All comments and reactions in this video are genuine, and that the food provider or restaurant had no input or influence whatsoever. As always, the opinions and reactions expressed in this video do not necessarily reflect the opinions of all Titos or uncles around the world. Possibly a few, but definitely not all.
So for today's video, we will be trying out a couple of new items from KFC. So in this bag is an item that is coming back. Well, by the time you watch this video, it already came back. And it's in the form of their garlic butter chicken. Personally, I haven't tried it when it came out the first time or the first few times. So it's quite interesting to see what this will be once you try it. So let's unbag this and let's see what we have. So this time around, they came out with two items, or they brought back two items in the form of a twister and their fried chicken. The flavor is called garlic butter. Again, personally, I haven't tried it myself, so I'm really not sure what to expect. One thing is for certain, it smells amazing. So let's start off with the twister. Okay, now si Twister has been around for a while. Paiba-iba yung mga flavors nila. Ang pinaka-common nilang flavor is yung California Maki nila. So parang yun ang hindi na nila tinanggal. Every once in a while, they would come up with seasonal flavors. Ang favorite ko, which I feel sad na hindi naman permanente, is their pizza. Meron silang pizza variant. Ang sarap. For me, I like it better than the California Maki one. But for each his own. Alright, so let us see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like up close. So kita mo may chicken, meron sila ng kanilang fries. Pero ang amoy na amoy talaga is the garlic and the butter. Actually, stand out yung garlic actually. Cheers, try it. Okay. Off the bat, ang malalasa mo kaagad is I would say the butter. May hint ng garlic. Mas naaamoy mo yung garlic kaysa nalalasahan. On the flip side, yung butter naman ang mas nalalasahan mo bago mo naamoy. Okay. As I bit through it, mayroon na rin siyang corn. Hindi siya evenly naka-spread out, which I feel it should be. Okay lang. Kanya-kanyang trip lang. Kanya-kanyang gawa yan eh. Siyempre, I'm sure it differs per restaurant. But I like it. Now that's out of the way, let's go and try their garlic butter fried chicken. Okay, so hindi ako nag-specify kung anong size or anong piece, no? I don't know why, parang default nilang binibigay na paratis. Is the breast or the wing? Ako ba? Let's go and try it out. Same as with the twister, amoy na amoy mo talaga yung yung garlic butter. This is what chicken looks like with the garlic butter. It's parang drenezel siya. KFC. I mean, the chicken naman itself is good. I like their chicken. Pro tip, kung meron kang air fryer sa bahay, fried chicken na either bagong bili or nasa ref na for a while, lagay mo lang doon sa maximum setting or sa default setting nyo. Set it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You won't go wrong. Okay, now on to the review. I like it. It's a unique taste. Garlic butter. I mean, I'm sure it's particularly it's normal with other brands, but for KFC this is not a usual thing. And I'm digging it. It's kind of weird lang, no? Wala silang sinamang ano. Yung gravy. Anyway. So yeah. For this meal, this is the price. I think it's alright. I think it's worth trying out, getting often. Then it's not something na parang bihira lang or once mo lang titikman kasi it's a novelty. I like it. It's really good. So yeah, go out and check it out. So that's it. So that is my quick and dirty review of KFC's garlic butter offering. It's a limited edition. It's a seasonal thing, I say. What do you think? Would you try it or have you tried it? Leave your comments below and let's have a conversation. That's it. Thank you for stopping by. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.